Hey Spices, it's Andrew, Melissa's husband. Thanks for tuning in today. We are going to smoke a pulled pork the speed method today, so stay tuned. We also discover in this video, can you smoke meat in the rain? And plus, how to make some dog treats. We are just about ready to get the meat on. Let me tell you what we've done so far. I started soaking my applewood last night. Here's my wonderfully seasoned and rubbed pork shoulder. My chimney is almost ready to pour in the side barrel. You gotta check out the other video to see how I get this charcoal started the easiest and best. My grill is heated up. I just cleaned it. It's time to get the pulled pork on the smoker. Little summer rain, not gonna ruin my party. I'm sitting at a good temperature right now, between 225 and 250. Now normally pulled pork, since it's a big cut of meat, that pork shoulder, it takes 10-12 hours. At the end of the video, I'm going to reveal how to get this going a lot quicker. I add coals and wood about every 30 to 45 minutes. Let's take a look inside and see how it's going. Most of the wood is smoked, so let's add some coals and some wood. If you noticed, I added the coals before the wood. It just smokes a little bit better and prevents the wood from getting close to the heat and flaming up. We don't want that wood to catch flame, because when there's flame, there's less smoke. That's another reason why we soak the wood. Also, I added about 10 chunks of charcoal. Every smoker's different. That's part of the experience, that you get to learn your smoker and tune it so that it gets the most effectiveness that you can get out of it. So like I said, it's going to be about 30 to 45 minutes until I add more. I'm just going to chill out, relax, and enjoy this beautiful weather. So it's been 30 minutes. I gotta go out there and put some wood on. Oh, jeez. It's still hot inside. Through rain and shine, the pulled pork is ready to come off the smoker. It's been 4 hours, and now we get to that next step of getting this pulled pork super tender. I also smoked the fat that was on the pulled pork. That's going to be a great dog treat. Princess, are you going to love a homemade dog treat? After 3 hours in the crock pot, you can see how tender and juicy this pulled pork is. And we did it in almost half the time.